She is reckless, throwing dollars in the wind. Now she hears the landlord knocking at her door. Just an orphan, never knew her daddy's name, and her mama passed when she was only 4. And now she's in West Virginia, working overtime. How can you love this world? How can you love this life? And now she's in West Virginia, all alone inside her mind. How can you love this world? How can you love this life? So she pulls out a knife and she starts to write the story of her life on her arms tonight. And with every breath the pain turns to red. Can she make this right? Can she love herself tonight? She's had boyfriends, but none of them could hold her down. She said they drank too much and talked too loud. Free as a gypsy in the mountains of the south, where she dreams of one day getting out. But she's in West Virginia, working overtime. How could you love this world when she don't want this life? So she pulls out a knife and she starts to write the story of her life on her arms tonight. And with every breath the pain turns to red. Can she make this right? Can she love herself? West Virginia, working overtime. What if she leaves this place to start a brand new life? Then she starts to cry till the tears run dry. All the pain in her eyes pouring out tonight. So she runs outside, puts the car she crosses the state line. When she crosses the state line.
Slowing down to hold my hand, richer than 100 grand. You're worth every second I could spend. Don't know what the future holds, but we'll always have our songs, and you'll always have a person to call home. Eyes are locked together, wanna throw away the key. No, this moment's not forever, but we could be. My heart is crossed and fingers tied. You got me riding higher than my hopes. Picture us in 20 years, kissing you behind the ears, going down in the history we both wrote. Eyes still locked together, we're not looking for the key. They say nothing lasts forever, but we can see. I think you're the one. I think you're the one. I think you're the one. I don't know much about love, but I've seen it come and gone. And I think you're the one. I think you're the one. Ooh, you're the one.
Well, I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I don't mind selling out or playing cover song, just as long as friends and family sing along. And I don't need more money or a faster car, no. Don't need a magazine to call me a superstar, no. I'm gonna take this little house and make a home, and then I'll never have to face my nights alone. 'Cause in my heart I hear you speak, and on my face I feel you breathe next to me. Two by land, by air, by sea, and that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that much I can say now. I'm pulling loaves of bread down from the shelf, and how rare it is that I stay up past 12. In the backyard we are going to start a garden. If that don't sound mighty good, I beg your pardon. 'Cause in my heart I hear you speak, and on my face I feel you breathe next to me. Two by land, by air, by sea, and that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that much I can say now. If they don't love us, we don't need them. Let's find our own brand of freedom. If they don't love us, we don't need them. Let's find our own brand of freedom. I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor anymore. get stuck while it drags you. Wrapped in the past, wait for summer to find you. It's gonna work itself out. When hurt somehow finds us, it comes like a storm, washes up on the beaches, lays on the shores like a candle stop burning, a lighthouse went out in the night. 'Cause I need a place to start, left with a broken heart. Love somehow finds you wherever you are. Left to the edge, choke all the weeds. I need a place to start, left with a broken heart. Love somehow finds you wherever you are. Left with a broken heart, but love somehow finds you wherever you are. My heart's a natural ghost. It's been too long. Let's get away from the cold. Where would you go? I'll take you there. It's a long way to anywhere. I will not wait or worry, knowing that love's a hurry. If I